This is Trayanne with FRVTA, and I am in Kissimmee for a sneak peek of the 2026 Orlando RV Show. Today is the last day of setup, and things are really starting to come together. Dealers have been moving RVs into place for days, and you can see the show has really taken shape around us. There's a lot happening behind the scenes right now as everyone gets ready for opening day tomorrow. Multiple local dealers are here, which means when the gates open, you'll be able to walk through a wide variety of brand new RVs, all in one location. It's a great chance to step inside different models, check out layouts, and compare options side by side without having to drive all over the region. There are RVs of all classes here, from Class A's and Class A diesels to Class C's and Super C's, Class B camper vans, destination trailers, fifth wheels, toy haulers, and more, as well as plenty of the cool new models you've been reading about. No matter your experience level, there's something here for everyone to explore. The vendor tent is set up and the tables are waiting for all of the RV resort and lifestyle vendors to arrive. By tomorrow, this entire space will be filled with activity, people, and plenty to see and do. You can feel the energy building as everything comes together. If you're thinking about RVing, planning your next trip, or just want to see what's new, this is the perfect place to come out and experience it all in person. The 2026 Orlando RV Show is being held March 19th through 22nd at the Osceola Heritage Park in Kissimmee. The gates are open Thursday through Saturday from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. and Sunday from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. For more information, please visit our website, frvta.org, and click the show link on the homepage. Thanks for watching, and we will see you at the show.